Hey guys, in this video I will show you best IG option script special for you. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel for next video and next script. And if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box. Simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. And if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it. Okay, and this is a 100% paid script and non-repaid script 100%. And you can, so let's start trading with this script. Okay, I have placed down trade because market going down, script signal by down. Okay, very good script. This is a sometimes a script has false signal, but 90% win rate. Okay, very good script. You can see script signal down, market going down 100%. Very good script. Let's wait for another signal. Okay, here is a down signal. Market should be go down because script signal by down. Okay, very good signal, as you can see live result, and this is a 100% paid script. Please subscribe my channel for this script, and you can use it. Is very good winning ratio. Okay, let's see 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 and boom. Let's see another signal. Okay guys, very good signal. I have profit already $180. Let's see another signal. Okay, I have placed down trade because market should be go down. See, a script signal by down, and here is a market downtrend. As you can see, market is a downtrend. Okay, and higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, and market trend is down. Let's see. Oh man, is a market going down, but my timing is not good because I have lose this trade. Okay, man, please down. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Oh man, please. Oh man, 10. Oh, 6 5 4 3 2 and 1 and boom.